Good morning, all dear students. Welcome in classroom. Today we will be discuss a very important topic of accounting. Topic is cost concept. Very important topic of become part first year students. Become part first year students. ABST paper first financial accounting. All students are requested to note important material of cost concept and watch video at the end. Let's start. Cost concept. Accounting to this concept, the value of an assets is to be determined on the basis of acquisition cost. Basis of acquisition cost. This concept is based on acquisition of cost. Basis of acquisition of cost. The original or acquisition cost relates to past and therefore it is referred to as historical cost. The original or acquisition cost relates to part and therefore it is referred to as historical cost. It is the basis for the value of the assets in the financial statement. In the financial statement, further cost concept mean original or acquisition cost less depreciation charge on assets. The main point cost concept mean original or acquisition cost less depreciation charge on the assets. For example, machinery was purchased in 2002 at cost of 1 lakh in the year 2002 to end afterwards. These assets will be shown in the balance sheet at a cost price 1 lakhs less depreciation. Machinery value shown in the balance sheet at a cost price of 1 lakh less depreciation. The effect of the cost concept seems to be irrelevant when the price of the assets goes on increasing in the market. Assets price goes on increasing in the market. In such a case, balance sheet does not exhibit true financial position of the business. Increase in the value of assets in market. In such case, balance sheet do not exhibit true balance financial position of the business. It has therefore become a matter of dispute among the accountants as to whichever the assets should be shown in the balance sheet at historical cost or at current cost. Dispute among accountants as to whatever the assets should be shown in the balance sheet at historical cost or current cost. But the majority of the accountants are in the favor of disclosing the assets at historical cost. Many accountant or majority of the accountants are in the favor of disclosing the assets at historical cost, especially for those assets on which depreciation has been charged. Depreciation has been charged. So at historical cost. They also feel that the technology has not developed considerable and it is difficult to ascertain the current cost of the ancient machines. Current cost of the ancient machines. If the current cost is ascertained on the basis of price index, there are many difficulties getting in relevant price index. If the current cost is ascertained on the basis of price index, there are many difficulties getting the relevant price index. It is settle a matter of controversy as to whatever the current cost to be ascertained on the basis of price index of the country. The companies should prepare their price index for each assets separately. The company should prepare their price index for each assets separately. In view of those difficulties, the majority of the accountants feel that the assets should be valued historical cost, price basis, and the concept imply the aspect This concept bases on acquisition cost, assets value. So in the balance sheet, many accountants are favor in the balance sheet. So in the machines value in balance sheet, as historical cost. Who has assets charge depreciation. All students are requested share video in your friends to help know about cost concept. Thank you very much.